I'm 40 something. 42. I'm a single mom. This is my 40. Ito guys is money bawas worth home. Money, what's that? Money bawas. What's mean that? Yeah. More, it's when you spend your money, it's worth in Philippines, yes. So it's about $1 is equivalent to 55 in peso. $1. Did you follow me? Just follow me, Slat Donkey. I have also my Instagram. It's Naomi Marilyn. So that's my son. Thank you. I wish you all the best. You're welcome. I have to finish my wash. It's not so dirty, so it's easily to wash because my son is not messy. They're just clean. We change clothes in a day for 3 times, and going out and going home, and then you take a bath and sleep. Yes, you can send me. Did you get my PayPal account already? Slap back, share live guys. Okay. I forget that. No. Ha? Lula Tilma? Ika? Lanining? 78. 78? Oo. Awa, diha ka ng live ko. That's my makmak.
Asan ka edad mo? Wala.
Loy?
Wala? Pila day may edad? Pila day may edad?
Si Lula mo labaw.
Labaw?
He asked me how old I am. Makmak is very curious. Curious guys. My shirts. My favorite t-shirt was Adidas. Adidas shirt. Are you still there, Slat Donkey? Slat Junkie. Junkie, sorry. I mean Slat Junkie. So very... I need to brush. My sponsor of my washing machine. Are you living? Yeah. I'm a Filipina. I'm here in the... It's a heartache. Comment guys, comment. Comment. I'm a Christian, but I'm not Roman Catholic. I am a Seventh-day Adventist. It's the 8th. Why you ask? Marukaan. Dong! Naprito ka manok, Dong? Hi, Just Dado Vlog Channel. Hello. Are you still there?
Makadaog sa 1,000 kay kani o. Kani? Makadaog ni sa 1,000 madila.
Kadaog. Ang galing mo maglaba, yes. Marunong talaga. So, tapos na ako sa puti. Then, oh. Kita yun. Again. Gusto na yung puti. Kasi niwalay ko yung the color.